Hello friends, welcome to Smartkey Solutions. Today I'm going to give you a brief demo about our new product, Smartkey. So the Smartkey is basically for pharmacy inventory and accounting management system. So and also this was built with Windows.NET XAML backend as SQL Server. And okay, let me go through uh, the look and feel and how the navigations will be there in the application. Yeah, this is dashboard page rather than you can say landing page. So where you can see the wealth of your organization in terms of stock as well as liabilities, and also you can see purchases and sales for last 12 months from now on now, and also payments and receipts uh, from 12 months from now. And also you can see the shortcut menu where you can go with mouse, and also the full menu of the application. And also you have shortcut menu with keyboard, different menus. So wherever the question mark is available in the page, you can see the help of that page information. So this is very uh, menu level help, right? So this help is applicable for entire application. Go for alt I. So this is short menu for inventory. So this is the purchase screen. So first you need to create the purchase header. Once the purchase header is created, you can add items here. So whenever you select an item, it will automatically pop up the available batches. You can select any batch. If we don't want, you can simply escape and you want to create new batch. So you simply go to purchase sale info. If you want to update new batch number, now the new batch is created. Go for the same product, the newly added batch is also available now. So this is the purchase and purchase return. So in the same way, how the purchase is happened, in the same way the purchase return also have will have header as well as return items. Now this is sales. Yes, this is also will have header and also item. So if you creates any header, so you need not to pass through all the controls. If the data is not required, you simply click save, or you can use shortcut key insert. Automatically, it will save the data. Now this is items page. So these are the batch. So as soon as you select a product or item, it will saves into the database. So you can go to sale header, or by clicking F11, you can select any product, any sale bill. You can work on that. This bill is already payment is done, right? So you cannot work on this. So if you simply clear this page, it will get the latest bills that you are already working. So simply paste down and click enter. It will take you through items page. So if you search, this search is from database and it is live search. So you will get up to date available stock and what are the up to date rates that are updated. want to print the document, you can control P. If you want to see the invoice, you can click this in PDF icon. If you want to send, it will send to that mail which you configured for specific this particular customer. You can also see the shortcut keyboard keys description here. So and also the sale return will also the work in the same way. So these are the receipts page. Now there are different receipt modes, receipt with adjustment. So whenever you are adjusting the receipts, uh, direct adjustment, you can use this type. If you are adjusting credit note or GST advance adjustment, so credit note or GST advance is internal adjustment where nothing will be tracked for GST liabilities. Yeah, GST advance is part of GST liability, so you can create. You are creating any GST advance, you simply need to select that one and click enter. This pop-up will come where you can enter your products. Now the GST advance is created. So click select and you can see the invoice here. You can also configure the invoice for each what's the menu level, like whether it is payments or receipts. Specific to that invoice type, you can configure the messages, whatever you want. In the same way, payments as well. So you can create payment with adjustment, debit note adjustment, GST advance adjustment, GST advance payment. So these are the accounts ledgers automatically you can configure where while doing the transaction it will auto populate. So you need not to enter again and do your transactions. So it will help some of your clicks or some of your actions. It will reduce. So this is the, customers. You can create the customer. So create settings. You can create settings. Now it will auto populate. You can update these credits. So on which uh, mode the billing has to be done. So for specific customers, the billing mode be on PTS. Or for some, even some customers, even the same purchase rate also you can do on billing. You can update. So this mode is automatically activates whenever you select uh, this particular customer. And also we have debit notes, different debit note reference type like purchase and sale, which will have the reference numbers. For voucher, you won't have a different like internal transaction purpose with the supplier or customer to supplier. You can create for internal purpose. For purchase or sale, if you are creating any debit note, you require references as part of the GST compliance is concerned. So if you want, you can see here, you can print here. The same way, credit note. So continuing to the accounts, we have journal entry. So apart from your business, I mean your inventory regular transactions, you can also mm, create your organization, other expenses, other liabilities, journal entries as well. So you can see all the journal entries, whether this is system generated or through manually you enter journal entries. So here you can also attach files for your future reference, and also you can download them. So if you want to delete, you can delete them on the fly. You can create new journal entries. These are the journal entries that you want to see for this month. You want to see for this week. You can also search the by voucher number, date range. You have different search options as well. And another finance menu is like daybook. So this is the daybook for the day. You can change the voucher type as well. There is no purchase for this day. If you refresh, it will show all the voucher types, and you will have bank reconciliation as well. You can search different banks and different dates as well. So you can reconcile here. There are few shortcuts how to reconcile your bank statement. And another important point is accounts. So these are all available accounts in your system. If you want, you can create new account group. So from here, you can select that account group and you can create that account, or you can also edit. And also you can update your opening balances whenever you are creating the new account. Once you create the new account, you can come here, you can select that account, you can add the values. If at all, if you have any opening balance difference, it will show here. So where you can update your uh, perfect, I mean, related opening balances to make it different zero. And also we have purchase order import. So this is purchase order where if your supplier is giving some soft copy like Excel, uh, it is easy for you to configure that supplier. So what are the contents of that Excel file have, and also you can map what are the items in your application is mapped, and what are the items that are available with the supplier Excel sheet. So now once you configure these, so and say I have some supplier invoice, purchase invoice I received, so I can select that import configuration. So this is the default customer. If the same template type is available for different suppliers, you can change here. Now I got some, say, some purchase order from some classic chemist supplier. Now let's say there is an invoice, yeah, purchase bill. If I click preview, it will load all the available. So if it is this is already mapped product. If this is if it is not mapped, you simply you can click the status or simply click enter by focusing your keyboard focus on that row, and you can select that product, whatever the product you want map. And also you can give the rates as well, so you can update on the fly. So once you're done, if you want, you can push to inventory. You can push to inventory. Now this is all push to inventory. If you see, yeah, this is the purchase invoice generated, supplier invoice what we did. And another important feature is order intent. So here you can create different set of products for your order. Let's say I have some XYZ supplier. I'm generating one order. So what I am doing is I'm taking different priorities. Let's say I gave my order to some XYZ supplier. Uh, Maybe there are some of the products are not available. Some of the products are available. So I can select the same order intent while generating my order intent form. I mean print document. I can select the priority. So maybe if I say my priority to supplier is some ABC, so that I don't want the quantity is as like priority one supplier. So I can decrease my quantity. I can give it to supplier for my purchase order. Otherwise, you can also just simply select, and if you want you delete, you can delete here. Again, you can print your priority. Yeah, however, if you already updated your purchase order from priority one supplier, it will not generate that item in the priority to order intent. Yeah, this is a little tricky one. Yeah, but if you use in correct way, it is very useful for your purchase order. I mean, order intent feature. And we have wide range of reports like sales. You can filter here other reports in general reports, purchase, inventory, accounts. So accounts we have all the required for accounting system. You can see the trail balance, profit and loss. You can see you can print PDF. You can generate Excel, and also if you want send, you can send to specific recipients, whether it is Excel or PDF, your choice, and you can send the recipient. Also, we have balance sheet. This is the balance sheet. On GST reports, I mean GSTR1 and GSTR2, GSTR3, I will prepare another demo and reconciliation, and how GSTR1 JSON file can be generated, how GSTR JSON file configuration can be done. I will make you another demo. So meanwhile, go through this application through demo, and please let me know your thoughts and your suggestions. And we are ready to accept your suggestions and feedbacks, and we try to incorporate those suggestions. And with the help of you people, we want to make it success. So one thing is like technically we are ready to incorporate all your required features, and definitely with help of you people we are going to make this is a success. Thank you guys, thank you all for watching.